Okay, hi guys, and welcome to the show. And today we're going to be discussing a true classic of gentlemen's apparel. I'm talking, of course, about the iconic turtleneck sweater. Now, before we get into that, I have to do my customary wristwatch check. So today I'm wearing the Casio CA53W, absolutely iconic watch. Absolutely love it. Exquisite piece. Okay, my friends over at Banana Republic have kindly sent in a sweater for me to review, so we'll get into the unboxing of that shortly, but first, let's roll the intro. Okay guys, so here is the package that my good friends over at Banana Republic have sent in for me to review. Now first off, let's just sketch in a little bit of history of the turtleneck to give some context. The turtleneck, or roll neck, was originally worn by knights and other members of the gentry in the late medieval period. The high neck of these garments was not only attractive, but would also protect against the excessive chuffing caused by the chainmail outer garments that were in fashion at the time. As chainmail went out of style in the Renaissance, the turtleneck remained, becoming somewhat dandified with the addition of ruffles and other embellishments. Eventually, in the 19th century, the turtleneck was adopted by the lower classes, who found it to be a practical garment for various marine pursuits, such as fishing and sailing. This maritime association continued into the 20th century, when the crews of German U-boats were outfitted with these wonderful pieces, which could really pull an outfit together when paired with a leather or wool overcoat. At the same time, over in Hollywood, actors such as Errol Flynn and Clark Gable could be seen around town in these sweaters, though often in a finer weave for a more sophisticated and gentlemanly look. As an aside, I'd also like to mention that at this time, men commonly wore modestly sized wristwatches, 34mm, 32mm, etc., not the ghastly 38mm monstrosities we see today. Now, since the 40s and up until the present day, the turtleneck has continued to be a staple of classy persons all over the world. Much like the NATO strap, it's extremely versatile. You can dress it up with a tuxedo jacket for a formal dinner, or even pair it with some Under Armour shorts for your morning run. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing here. And I have to say, this is very nicely packaged. Well, we're gonna have some clipping there. I can see on my, I'm stuck. My archivist's gloves got stuck to the adhesive there, but no big deal. Okay. Little drum roll for context. Let's pull it out. Oh, there it is, there it is. Beautiful, 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 and just look at that color, absolutely stunning. Let's get in for a closer look. More cellophane to get through here. Set that aside, and there it is, there it is. Beautiful. See if we can get a close-in shot of that weave there. Beautiful, beautiful fine weave merino, I believe this is. Let's see what kind of specs we got here. Oh yeah, so if you can see there, Banana Republic Italian Merino yarn by Abratufa. Beautiful Italian mill. As you know, I'm part Italian, so I can speak with that ridiculous accent, and it's all cool. So, all right, so that's it. That's the unboxing there of this beautiful piece. Absolutely exquisite and feels amazing. All right, let's go back to the studio. Okay guys, so I want to thank my good friends over at Banana Republic for sending in this beautiful piece for me to review. I'll leave some affiliated links down below, so be sure to check those out. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, Tumblr, Tinder, per usual, and we'll see you next time.